Hey there, so have you ever wondered how teachers can grade so fast? We're just magicians, right? Well, let's say that I am looking at this example that is posted on Courtney Buying This House, and I want to see if the student solved it correctly. I am all about Excel. If I could marry Excel, I would marry Excel. I know Excel's not for everybody because it is mathematical, right? It's a math program that you have to put formulas in. But let me just explain this Excel spreadsheet. So what I have is I have this cell where I'm going to put the amount financed, okay, which was right there, buying the house, 20% down, 25-year, and a rate of 5%. It's compounded monthly, so number of payments 12, and then 25 years. So over here, when I click on these, you can see this formula bar. There's no formulas. I just typed in those numbers. Where the formulas come in is on this side. The 20% I just typed in. But the down payment then, if I double click on this, it's saying that start with an equal sign. Okay, so the equal sign says, I don't want to have to do this computation because I'm lazy, because I am lazy. That's why I love Excel. Take what is in cell B1, which is the amount financed, and multiply it times the 20%. I mean, if you picked up a calculator, this is what you'd get. Why don't I just pick up a calculator? Because now what I've done is I have created this formula sheet. I can change all these numbers here, and it will automatically give me the answer. Let's look at the amount owed. Well, if you put down 20%, the 60,000, it would be the 300,000 minus this value here. And so that would be my amount owed. Please remember, if you're new to Excel, you have to start with an equal sign. Excel's a calculator. If I did equal 1 plus 2, when I hit enter, it gives me 3. As long as you start with that equal sign. All right, so this kind of gets everything going together, and now I have to figure out my monthly payment. And you know that big, ugly formula. So this is the beauty, that once you do this once, type this in one time, okay, so I can see here that I'm taking, let's just talk it through, the amount owed times, notice these B2, we're not playing bingo, B2, bingo. These are the cells, column B, row 2, the 5% we have to divide off the number of months. Okay, so that's all this top part. Then this is that bottom formula where it's the 1 minus 1 plus the APR once again divided by the number of payments raised to the negative number of payments times the time in year. And if you do that, okay, that's a lot, right? I mean, pause the video right now and make yours match exactly this. If you do this, then I can go through and actually work every single one of your discussion formulas. Now this one, this invest now, you might be like, well, what's this for? This is the other formula, how much should you invest? But this is all you're having to do in the discussion. I can go through your discussions within seconds and check them to see that, well, looky there, 1405.67, that is correct. So I realize Excel's not for everybody, but it's for me because I utilize it all the time. It makes it very quick and easy to do these formulas. If you get stuck with any formula, like you get one like this, because this one's pretty complicated to write out, save your Excel, close it, email it to me, and just say, hey, Cindy, my B6 cell, something's wrong with my formula, you know, and try to do it with this question so you know what the answer should be. All right, have fun, and I hope you actually try to use Excel because it will save you a lot of time.